The fundamental idea that our thoughts and emotions have a significant impact on the situations we attract into our life forms the basis of the law of attraction. It's a tenet that emphasizes how closely our inner world and the outside world are interwoven. As we investigate this idea, we discover that the concepts that are most prevalent in our minds work as magnets, drawing events that resonate with our emotional and mental states. Think back to the times when you wake up furious or frustrated. This creates the conditions for a day that seems to spiral into a string of bad things happening. This phenomenon can be explained by the operation of the law of attraction. When we hold on to negative ideas and emotions, we unintentionally release a vibratory frequency that corresponds with those emotions, which then attracts situations that are consistent with those feelings. It almost seems as though more of what we primarily focus on is being delivered by the universe in response to the energetic signal we send out. Whether we are conscious of it or not, we actively create our own world in this way. The ability to focus is how the law of attraction works. Turning your attention from bad to good ideas starts a change in your experiences and, as a result, your life. Whether you're familiar with the idea or not, there are useful daily routines you can use to maximize this amazing power. One basic practice is visualization. By visualizing your desired results and maintaining a laser-like focus on them, you can change your vibratory frequency to a more positive one. Positive manifestation of your desires is made possible by this harmony. It's important to remain positive. Getting rid of bad ideas and deliberately focusing on what you want can be a life-changing habit. When negativity starts to seep in, focus on positive ideas or picture the experiences you want to have. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. The art of letting go is essential. Avoid overthinking or attempting to control every aspect of your life. Recognize that the universe is constantly working on your behalf to bring your desires to fruition. Trust in this process and allow it to unfold. Mastering the law of attraction involves understanding the critical role played by our subconscious mind. Like a huge database, our subconscious mind stores the beliefs, cognitive processes, and behavioral inclinations that we have gathered over the course of our life. Even in situations where our conscious intentions diverge, these deeply rooted beliefs frequently control the course of events. We need to rewire our subconscious minds to match our conscious desire if we want to fully utilize the law of attraction. In order to reprogram the subconscious mind, outdated, limiting ideas must be swapped out with more empowering ones. In this process, affirmations, positive phrases that mirror intended outcomes, are a useful tool. Repeating affirmations on a regular basis helps overcome negative conditioning by progressively ingraining these empowering ideas into the subconscious, forming new brain pathways, and altering how we perceive the world. To help you reprogram your subconscious and raise your frequency of the law of attraction, consider the following affirmations. I attract abundance and good things into my life. Prosperity, happiness, and love come into my life with ease. My world is strongly shaped by my feelings and thoughts. Every day, I embrace my entire potential and let go of all limiting beliefs. I am getting closer to my aspirations and goals. You can progressively change your subconscious programming by repeating these affirmations to yourself on a regular basis and incorporating them into your daily activities. By adopting a more optimistic and self-assured perspective, you may better use the law of attraction to draw in the experiences and results you truly want. The way you view the world and the experiences you draw into your life are both shaped by your belief system. It represents your entire collection of conscious and unconscious ideas, emotions, and experiences. It is essential to understand the importance of your belief system in order to use the law of attraction to your advantage. Start the procedure of reprogramming it if required. This entails deliberately swapping out antiquated, restricting attitudes for contemporary, empowered ones. Being self-aware is the first step in the transformative process. Here, you can recognize ideas that might be impeding your growth and determine whether they are consistent with your desired goals. For instance, if your objective is financial abundance but you hold ideas about how hard it is to get money, these beliefs will get in the way of your progress. Such limiting ideas must be acknowledged, and efforts must be made to actively modify them. Persistence is essential if you want to raise your frequency and create your desires by using the law of attraction. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts, as Winston Churchill stated. When it comes to using the law of attraction to achieve your goals, persistence is about staying optimistic and persevering despite hardship. The law of attraction is a powerful tool, but it doesn't guarantee immediate results. Instead, it works on the basis of persistent attention and unshakable trust in your intended consequences. Being persistent is sticking to your course of action in the face of setbacks or difficulties. It's simple to lose hope throughout difficulties and start to question the law of attraction's effectiveness. But it's in these very times that perseverance turns into your most valuable ally. Keep in mind that your dominant thoughts and emotions are what the universe reacts to. You unintentionally send out messages that support your worries rather than your desires if you let uncertainty and pessimism to seep in. The life of Thomas Edison serves as an example of the strength of perseverance. "I have not failed," he famously declared. "Just now, I discovered 10,000 ineffective strategies." Edison's unrelenting quest for the incandescent light bulb serves as an example of the unflinching dedication needed to bring one's dreams to reality. Persistence is your ally against doubts and obstacles in your quest to use the law of attraction to materialize your dreams. To develop persistence, keep a clear mental image of the results you want, see yourself accomplishing your goals, and feel all the feelings that come with it. By persevering, you can increase the frequency of your law of attraction and convert obstacles into chances for development and manifestation. In the sea of manifestation, focus and energy function as the twin engines that move your ship of desires ahead. Your focus and the amount of energy you put into those areas have a significant impact on the law of attraction. It's similar to using a magnifying glass to capture sunlight so that you may start a fire. Your power to bring your desires to life increases with increased concentration and sharpness of focus. It is essential to comprehend the mechanics of focus. The human brain processes a lot of information every second, yet it acts as a selective filter, retaining only information that is consistent with your predominant ideas and opinions. Based on your mental model, this filtering system generates a consistent and logical reality. Your desires will be more prevalent in your reality when you focus only on them. It's similar to setting a radio to a certain frequency. You pick up signals that correspond to that frequency. As a result, your strong focus serves as a beacon for the law of attraction, directing it to bring into your life whatever it is that you are focused on. Moreover, energy follows focus. Your alignment with the manifestation of your wishes increases with the amount of energy you devote to your thoughts and emotions surrounding them. Energy is a concept that encompasses more than just the physical world. It also includes feelings and goals. Positive emotions, including joy, thankfulness, and excitement, energize your intentions and send out strong messages to the universe when you put them into your thoughts. Think of your desires as magnets, and the power that attracts them to you will be your concentrated, energetic thoughts and feelings. You can increase the likelihood that your wants will materialize by deliberately focusing your attention and energy on your objectives. This increases the frequency of your law of attraction. When applying the law of attraction, awareness serves as your guide through the terrain of your wants. It entails having a keen awareness of your feelings, ideas, and surroundings. You can deliberately refocus your attention on the things you want to happen when you are cognizant of what you are focusing on. Being aware enables you to identify any self-limiting ideas or negative thought patterns that might be impeding your development. It's like illuminating the shadowy recesses of your mind to find any buried roadblocks that require attention. Gratitude is a potent technique to boost awareness and increase your law of attraction frequency, which is necessary for the law of attraction to function at its best. Being grateful attracts more of the things you value into your life, much like a magnet. You send out a signal to the universe that you are open to receiving more when you show thankfulness for what you currently have in the present moment. It seems as though you are expressing, "I appreciate this and am prepared for more of the same." Being grateful increases your vibratory frequency and fosters a positive outlook that helps you attract the things you want in life. In the end, taking action is what will allow you to bring your desires to reality. Make good use of your time, stay in the now, and concentrate on the things at hand that will help you achieve your objectives. Keep in mind that every action, no matter how tiny, matters in your manifesting path. Transform your life by consistently acting with intention and achieving your goals one step at a time. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.